In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Freshdesk. By the end, you'll have the Freshdesk app added to your Slack workspace so your team can get helpful ticket updates and actions right where conversations happen. Start by opening your browser and heading to app.slack.com. Make sure you're signed into the Slack workspace where you want Freshdesk to live. If you're in multiple workspaces, double check the logo and workspace name in the top left so you don't install the app in the wrong place. On the left sidebar, find the More option. Click that to reveal additional options that aren't always shown by default. From there, click on Tools. This takes you to a set of workspace features that includes access to integrations. Next, select Apps. That opens Slack's app directory for your workspace, which is where you browse and manage all add-ons. In the search bar, type Freshdesk. Look for the official Freshdesk app from the verified publisher. Opening that page will show you what the app can do inside Slack, including the permissions it needs. Give that a quick review so you know what to expect. When you're ready, click Install. If your organization restricts app installs, you may see a request for approval flow instead. In that case, submit the request and wait for an admin to approve it. If you have the necessary permissions, you'll proceed right away. Next, click Add to Slack. This begins the authorization process that connects the app to your workspace. Slack will display a list of permissions the app is asking for, tailored to what it needs to post updates and interact with channels. To finish, click Allow. This grants the app the access it needs. After a moment, you should see a confirmation screen or a welcome message from the Freshdesk app inside Slack. If nothing appears right away, try refreshing the Slack window or checking the Apps section in your sidebar to confirm the install. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you can't find Freshdesk in search, your workspace may have an app whitelist. Reach out to your admin for access. If the install button is grayed out, you likely need admin approval. And if you manage multiple Slack workspaces, always confirm the correct one at the top of the screen before you authorize. That's it. You went to app.slack.com, opened More, selected Tools, clicked Apps, searched for Freshdesk, installed it, added it to Slack, and allowed the permissions. You're now set up on the Slack side and ready to use Freshdesk features directly in your workspace.